A body of mass m is placed on earth surface which is taken from the earth surface to a height h equal to 3r. Set a height they given, so h equal to 3r. Then change in gravitational potential energy is. So normally the gravitational potential energy on the earth, so we can take on the earth u equal to minus G capital M small m by r. So capital G capital M, so capital G is universal of gravitation, capital M is the mass of the earth, and capital R radius of the earth, m is the mass of the object. So if you take like that, so now the object is moved to certain height h equal to 3r. That time u equal to, so at a certain height they mentioned, right? So capital G capital M small m by r plus h. Here h is the 3r minus G capital M small m by, so r plus 3r, how much? 4r minus G capital M small m by 4r. So this is a final potential, final gravitation potential. This is the initial. Now change in gravitational potential is, so I am considering change in potential, that is equal to final minus G capital M small m by 4r. This is the final. So as you can see, this is the final potential minus of initial is capital G capital M small m by r. So if you solve this one, you will get it 3 by 4 capital G capital M small m by r. Okay, so if you take LCM, we'll get this one. Normally, you know, G value equal to capital G capital M by r square. If you do this, we'll get converted this one into 3 by 4 into mgr. The answer is C. Here is the answer. So this is the answer. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. Thank you.